how to edit and change your first name on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit and change your first name on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First, open your browser, and once you're here, click my profile and click edit profile, and here we'll find first name and last name. And if you want to change it, just remove it and type here anything you want, and then click save. Don't forget this one here, and that's it. Now let's refresh the page and make sure it's saved, and that's it. As you see now, I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.